Long ago, in the beginning of the twilight of steam locomotives, tracks were laid in the southern United States for what would become a brand new merged railroad network, prior to the downfall of the predecessors. The two railroads worked hard to open what would become the Texas, Oklahoma, and Louisiana Railroad, stretching a high-speed main line from Houston all the way to St. Louis, with various secondary main lines and branch lines providing more availability for customers. The first locomotive specifically built for the TO&L was a little six-wheeled tender engine named Reid, who was a replica of a foreign European design, albeit to American standards and loading gauge. While he was a friendly engine, he tended to overthink and sometimes get a little too confident. Our story begins years later in the busy yard in Waco, where Reid and one of his good friends were heading for trouble. Morning, Gordon. Thought you'd probably need help with the rust today. Thanks a million, man. Most of the traffic's just coming from now to 1 p.m., so we'll have time to rest afterwards. Right now, I just need you to get some extra cars for Ethan's northbound manifest. He should be here at about 4:30 or so, no pressure. Right, I'll be on it. Alright, time for me to also get to work. Say, Reid, you ever heard of the town of 𝐾𝐈𝐋𝐄𝐒? What? Oh, 𝐾𝐈𝐋𝐿, a small little town not too far from Dallas. Are you okay? A little place where everything is fairly irrational. I'm assuming the mayor there made a very odd YouTube crossover series about trains with you and me in it. Something that a 10-year-old would probably make. Did you take the right call today, little G? Nah, I'm just joking around. Hey, Reid, what's the longest train you ever pulled? I mean, I can't say for sure. I'm mostly limited to my main lane runs. Are you possibly up for a challenge? Yeah, I don't really do stuff like that these days. Come on, Reid, it won't be that bad. All I want you to do is just take these cars to Dallas, and just to give you a rundown, the first 9 or so cars are for the interchange, and the rest are for the Dallas yards and shops. Alright, but how long though? I think it's about 30 counting the caboose. Alright. Rat, you ready? I guess so. Oh, here it goes. What? Come on, man, keep pulling. Okay, what the hell is going on? Reid, you might wanna... Oh, great! Hang in there, Reid. I'm coming. Nope. I'm good. Reid, you alright? I think so. Gordon, what the hell was wrong with that train? I ain't got the slightest clue.
I think I can explain. It turns out most of those cars were from out of the nearby repaired sidings. Don't know who moved them, but yeah. The actual issue is that the brakes on some of them were jammed, and the knuckle coupling on the first one was a tad bit loose.
Okay, now it makes sense.
Gordon, while this accident is not entirely your fault, I still do not approve of you peer pressuring Reid into doing that. I get you meant no harm, but regardless, I feel like you should know better than to put your friend in a situation they are not comfortable with.
Yes, sir. My apologies.
This isn't entirely your fault as well, Reid, but next time, try to be careful about your own decisions. Though I don't fully blame you for saying yes in this case, I'm just hoping we can get you working again before the railroad's 60th anniversary celebration.
Yes, Frederick.
I have no other words besides what on earth happened here.
Not too much.
Alright then.
Reid, I'm sorry about the... It's alright, man. I forgive you. You know, I'm wondering what Mr. Roberts planning for the 60th. Yeah, I wonder.